Hey Danny here, welcome to my vlog. This is going to be around nature. Our probably 100-year-old apple tree. Definitely put out some awesome apples this year. I wish I'd been able to spray it, but it doesn't. I don't get around to doing that in time. And I don't know much about doing apple trees to begin with, but it's been dry the last couple of years, and it hasn't been this year. These puppies are all out here. Did a good job growing. Dang, that's a big old one right there. Beautiful. But spray them, wouldn't have to get the bugs on them, but prune it about every year. Actually, it prunes itself. It's getting really old. Man, look at them up there. Wow, they're huge. It's like you'd find in the store. You know, some of these I guess would make good pressing, make apple cider with. But, anyway, I thought I'd just share the apple tree with you. Quite a few on the ground now. Don't poop. Alright, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. Catch you on the next Nature.